Tirthul BJD legislator Ramakanta Bhoi has claimed that he was forcibly taken from his residence and escorted to Navin Niwas like a culprit ahead of voting. According to Bhoi, despite repeated requests, he was not allowed to leave even late into the Sunday night. On Sunday, 4 or 5 MLAs came and arrived at his house. He welcomed them, made them sit at home and discussed with them. They were convinced and later left. Again, after half an hour, they came back and forcibly said, "No, you have to go to Navin Niwas," the Tirthul legislator said. He alleged that he was kept at Navin Niwas past midnight, prompting him to question whether his presence there was more important than his vote. Bhoi stated that he made it clear he would refuse to vote if not allowed to return home. The MLA said that the incident left him deeply upset and that frustration ultimately influenced his voting decision. Bhoi also raised concerns over internal party functioning, questioning the suspension of 2 MLAs and alleging lack of consultation in candidate selection. The allegations have intensified the political storm in Odisha, sparking fresh debate over party discipline, leadership decisions and electoral conduct.
दल सहित थी दल को सपोर्ट करी दलर सबू कार्यक्रम में जोग दौली किंतु जो भली भाव रविवार दिन दलर 5-4 जन विधायक आसी मो घरे पहुँचले मुझे स्वागत कली घरे बसैली डिस्कसन कली कन्विन्स होकर बाहर को गले एगेन कौन है आफ्टर हाफ एन आवर पुणी से आसिले फोर्सेबली जे नाई आपन को जीवा पड़ो नवीन निवास मुझे मु तो मना करिनी मु तो काली भी जाइली मु तो आपन सहित पूरा संपूर्ण रूपे अच्छी एवं आगे गाड़ी पछरे गाड़ी जमती गोटे कल्प्रिट को एस्कॉर्ट कर नि जाए से भाव में नहीं गले जोटा दुखद कथा।